Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, have I got a good one for you today. I'm giving away a secret, okay? Probably a lot of people gonna be mad with me in the PD region. This is low country vinegar pepper sauce. Oh my goodness. It is a barbecue sauce. It's a mopping sauce when doing a whole hog. I'm gonna do the mopping sauce on a rib today, just to see how the rib comes out. I know it's gonna be fabulous. So, hang tight. I'm sure there are gonna be a few upset PD barbecue cooks with me because I'm giving away the secret. But the vinegar pepper sauce that has been the mopping sauce for decades, I'm gonna give you the recipe. So here it is. Let's start out with our sauce here. This is what we're gonna use to baste this rib the whole time we cook it. This is 2 cups of white vinegar. We got a lemon cut into slices. We're gonna put it in our pot. We've got a tablespoon of 16 mesh black pepper. This is a teaspoon and a half of cayenne pepper. This is a teaspoon of paprika. This is a teaspoon of ground ancho chili pepper. This is a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. And last but not least, this is a 1/4 cup of sugar. Just plain ordinary white sugar. And we are going to start the heat, and I want this to come to a boil. So let me get this to a boil. I'll bring you right back. All right, you see we've got this at a good rolling boil. We've let this boil about 5 minutes or so. It doesn't take long to get all these flavors mixed in together. And I'm gonna take and pour this pot over into this bowl. And there we go. That is going to be our PD mop sauce right there. Now, I've cut this recipe way down. I'm only cooking a rib with it. Where I cook in a whole hog, I'd have 5 gallons of this. So let's let this cool down and the grill warm up, and I'll bring you back. While we're waiting on the grill to come up to temp, let's go on and season our rack of ribs. I've already pulled the membrane off the back, and I'm gonna season it fairly good. I want to get it on both sides. Flip it over. What am I using? Anything better than Uncle Steve's Magic Ribs? Hey, it's a competition winner. It's good enough for competitions, it's good enough for your backyard. So let's cover this up pretty good. There we go. All right. All right. I've got it covered. I'm going to let it sit and let this magic ribs soak into this rib, into the meat. And when it's time to go to the grill, I'll bring you right back. All right. We've hit 250. That's where we want to be. I'm going to take just a little block of hickory and set right on top of the fire for some smoke. Let me get this exactly where I want it. All right, that ought to work right there. Okay. Let's take, I'm gonna put the rib on. Look at that. You see how that moisture has come up into that magic rib shake? I want to take, this is a little trick I learned back several years ago. I bunch it up just a little bit. See how that drew it up, made it thick? That's what I want to do. All right, let's cover it up. I'm gonna keep an eye on the temp. I want it to run about 250, and after the first hour, I'll bring you back. Okay, we're an hour in, and look at the pretty color. All right, I'm gonna start mopping right now. And I've got a little small mop. And all I'm gonna do is just mop over the top of this rack of ribs. All right. That's the first hour. We're gonna let it continue to go. I'll bring you back in another hour. Okay, you see, we're hanging right in at 250. She's holding steady. And we still got that pretty color. Let's mop him down again. All right, we're not getting any pullback yet, but he's getting mopped down good. All right, so that's 2 hours. Just close it back up. We'll let it go another hour. Okay, we're still holding just a hair above 250, but that's okay. And look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, that's the color I want. I'm gonna take it over to the table and wrap it, and I'll bring you right back. We're getting ready to wrap. I want to put a good dose of this mop sauce on top. And we're gonna let it run down on the paper and have a little on the paper too. All right. So we're gonna fold it up. Now I'm gonna do 2 thicknesses. This is heavy duty aluminum foil, and I'm still gonna do 2 pieces. All right, 3 hours in, wrapped up, going back to the grill. After another hour, we have, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's just as tender. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna baste it one more time, and I'm gonna put it back on for about 30 minutes. About 30 minutes. I'm gonna let it firm up just a little bit. All right, well, we've got good pullback. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You know I'm gonna try it, right? I'm going in. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I'm taking more than a bite. That's it. Oh my goodness. Vinegar pepper sauce. Ugh. If you've ever had it, you know what I'm talking about. Hey, listen. Thanks for hanging around, seeing how this was going to turn out. It is delicious. I can't. If you're from South Carolina, you already know, okay? If you're not, you need to know. Hey, if you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. That way you won't miss anything, okay? I'll have another video just for you, whether you do or not, right here. How about hit whoop, that thumbs up, share it. None of that'll cost you a dime. Until next time, hey, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.